In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rewards on Booking.com. Whether you're a frequent traveler or someone planning a special getaway, learning how to utilize your rewards can help you save money and make your travel experience even smoother. The first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your Booking.com account. This is a crucial step because accessing your rewards is only possible once you're logged in. If you don't have an account created yet, just go to the Booking.com homepage and either create an account or log in using your existing credentials. Remember, having access to your account also allows you to keep track of your bookings and any promotions you might qualify for. Once you're signed in, it's time to check your rewards balance, which you can find in your wallet. Navigate to the wallet page, and this is where you'll see your available credits. These credits accumulate over time as you use Booking.com for your travel needs, whether it's for accommodations, flights, or car rentals. It's always good to be aware of your balance so you can plan your trips accordingly, maximizing the use of your credits. Now, let's move on to actually using these credits. When you're ready to make a booking, be it a hotel stay, a flight, or another travel service, and have reached the payment stage, you'll need to look for the option that says Pay with Wallet. This is where you can apply your credits toward your booking. Such a feature can significantly reduce the amount you pay out of pocket, making travel more affordable. Whether you're looking to save on a luxurious hotel stay or getting discounts on essential travel services, using these credits is a fantastic way to keep expenses down. It's important to mention that each time you apply your rewards and credits, you're making the most of what Booking.com offers its loyal users. This can translate to remarkable savings, and over time, these savings really add up, allowing you to reinvest that money into more travel experiences. If you ever encounter any issues, Booking.com has customer service options available to help you navigate these processes or resolve any troubles you might face. You can count on their support team to guide you with any additional questions you may have. Understanding how to efficiently use your rewards sets you up for an enhanced travel experience with much more comfort and less expense. Now that you're across the basic steps, you'll be equipped to confidently apply any credits you've earned and plan your travels wisely. So go ahead, dive into those travel plans and enjoy the perks that come with every journey booked through Booking.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a fantastic trip.